Hello everyone, welcome to part 138 of the Laravel 9 series, and in this video we will continue working on the order placement process, and we are placing the COD order in. And in the last video we able to save the order details in the orders as well as the order underscore products table, okay, that we have created in the last few videos. Okay, so orders table with the main order information, with the delivery address as well as the shipping charges, coupon discount, coupon amount, shipping charges though zero right now. We will add the shipping module later on, and the payment method, payment gateway, and the grand total we able to calculate. Okay, so now we also get the details in the orders underscore products table. We are going to check here. See, details are also coming in the orders or products table. So finally we will show the thanks page. After once the order has been successfully placed, we are going to show the thanks page to the user that your order has been placed with the order id this one and grand total this one, so that the user can able to confirm his order. And also we are going to show the order details in the user account as well as in the admin panel. And in this video we are going to create the thanks page for the order. Okay, so let's start. We are going to create the route. First of all, I'm going to close the earlier files. Okay, so I'm going to create the route. First of all, in the web.php file, thanks route we are going to create, that we are going to use every time while the user is going to place the order. So this route we are going to create in the auth group because it belongs to the every time whenever user is going to place the order, and that is the path of the auth only, or no unauthorized access is possible for this route. Okay, at thanks page will only come whenever the order is will get placed, otherwise it will not come. We will not open this page otherwise. Okay, we are going to create the thanks function as well under ProductsController. So we are going to create it at the last, not this one, at the front, located inside the front folder. Okay, so here we are going to add its view, return view front products. Inside products we are going to create the thanks page. So I am going to open the card here, card blade file, and any file yeah, inside the products folder, and we are going to replace it with the thanks blade file. Okay, I'm going to mention here the thanks, and see right now we can simply, nothing will come. So see, this one will also not come anything. We are going to remove this all. Here the warning will come like we are going to make something like your, in caps, like your order has been placed successfully. Okay, and after this one more line we are going to add here, like your order number is, we are going to get the order id in session. Okay, so simply we will add it session get order id, and grand total is INR. This one also we will add in session, and so we'll get in session as well. Grand total. Okay, so this this is the page, thanks page, that we will get here. That will come after the order placement, and we make sure that here, from here, we are going to send the user to this page. Okay, so we will write here like return redirect to thanks, like this. Okay, but before this, we also require to insert the order ID. Here I will write the comment insert order ID in session variable. Session put order ID, we are going to store it in this one, whatever the order ID we are generating, we'll put in session variable. Okay, so order ID is also in session variable, grand total is also in session variable, so both are in session variable. Okay, so both we able to use in the thanks page. We are redirecting to the thanks page after the order placement, and this is the COD order placement right now. So after redirecting it to thanks page, we have created its route. Okay, and we have created its function as well, and after that the user will reach here. So let's try, let's try to place the new order. So we are going to place the new order now. Okay, I'm going to refresh it once. I will select the delivery address, I will select the cash on delivery, I will accept the terms and condition, will place new order, and we reach to the thanks page here, but some alignment issue that we can use here, align center, rest everything seems to be fine. See, now it looks fine. Your order has been placed successfully. Your order number is 2, grand total is INR 1980. We can see our next order has also placed in the orders table. We can able to see. Okay, so this time the ID is 2, and we able to get the details here, and also we are getting the order is here. Okay, so we able to get the details also, and also we need to empty the card. Okay, so after order placement we need to empty the card as well. Here you can see the card is not empty yet. Here you can see the card is not empty yet, and we need to empty the card as well. So we will modify the thanks function here. Okay, so first one is we are going to check the that there is the session is having the order ID or not. If the session is having the order ID, then we are going to move further, and otherwise we will send the user to the card page. It means there is no order has been placed, so that's why we will send the user to the card page. So this one, return thanks, we are going to put inside the here, and in else condition we are going to return redirect the user back to the card page. Okay, like this. And here in this case we will empty the card as well, empty the card, and card where user ID, we will check from the auth, still the user is logged in, so we will check from the auth and we'll delete the card items. Okay, now the items you can see the 0 items, the card is empty now. Okay, so we are going to place one more time order, one more time. So we are going to place one more time order and proceed to checkout, and I'm going to select now another address, cash on delivery, click on place order. So the order has been placed. Here you can see the thanks page is coming and item is gone away. Now if you will go to the card page, there is no item because the item is already placed. Okay, so that is working fine. Okay, so it is working fine now. We able to place the COD order. Okay, so in the next video we are going to display the order details. We are going to display the order details in the user account. Okay, somewhere we will add the order section, separate order section, and we are going to display the order details. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.